In this video, let me show you how to install the driver on your computer for the Brother MFC-L2900DW. I'll show you how to find it. It's quite easy in case your computer is not able to detect the printer automatically. You're going to go on Google and tap the model name of your printer. And at the end, type driver and search. One of the first results should be from the official Brother website. As you see, Brother USA. Tap on this, select which operating system you're currently on, so Windows, are you on a Mac, Linux. Go down, select your version, press OK to confirm. Go down, and you should see Easy Setup. You're going to click on Easy Setup, you're going to go down, select Agree, and the download will start. After it finished, double click that file and you will be able to download and install the driver that was missing.